Hello, I want to use this example to demonstrate how to do t-test in Excel. For this example, we have two samples. First sample is husband. The next sample is wife. We want to compare the mean age of husband with mean age of wife. If you want to do a t-test, so click Data and click Data Analysis. You can see, so there are three choices. First one is paired two sample for means, then two sample assuming equal variances, or two sample assuming unequal variances. Let's see them one by one. So if you want to do a paired two sample test, you click OK. So variable 1 range, you just select the first sample. Variable 2 range, you select the second sample. Alpha, so here we want 0.05, so this is significance level. Click output range, so I want to put it here, and so click OK. You can see, so this is the result for paired two sample t-test. You can get the test statistic here, and you can get p-value. So either one-tailed p-value or two-tailed p-value, depending on which one you want. If you want to do a independent two-sample t-test, assuming equal variance, very similar. So click Data Analysis and click t-test two-sample assuming equal variances. Click OK. So in the variable 1 range, you select husband. And in variable 2 range, you select wife. Okay, and alpha, so here still 0.05. And in the output range, so I want output to be here. So click OK. So this is the result for independent two-sample t-test. You can see, so this is the test statistic, and for two-sided p-value, so this is 0.6. Yeah, so if we use a significance level 0.05, and we fail to reject the null hypothesis. If you use a paired t-test, the two-sided p-value is 0.04, so this is smaller than 0.05, and we will reject null hypothesis. If you want to use a t-test assuming unequal variances, click Data Analysis. Here you select two sample assuming unequal variances. Click OK. And for variable 1 range, we select husband. For variable 2 range, we select wife. And alpha still 0.05, and the output range, I want put the output here. Click OK. Okay, and you can see, so this is independent two-sample t-test assuming unequal variances. And from here you can see, so the t statistic here and here, so they are very similar, right? Yeah, because for this data you can see, so the variances are essentially very close. Yeah, so in this case, no matter you assuming equal variances or assuming unequal variances, and they will give you very similar result. Okay, and occasionally, so you will get data like this one. See, notice the difference. So here, so the data are prepared like one sample takes one column, right? One sample takes one column. Yeah, so this is the first sample, this is second sample. And so in this data, and we have two variables. So first variable spouse. Okay, so this variable, the value indicate whether the age is a husband or the age is a wife. And so if you want to analyze this type of data, and so first you need to convert the data like this to data like this. Okay, So let's see how can we do it. And the easiest way is you first sort the data according to spouse. So first, like I highlight the data and I click sort. Where is sort? Okay, I click sort, customize sort. And so I will sort by spouse. Yeah, so from A to Z, right? And so then after that, we will sort according to couple. Yeah, because we want to pair them, right? And from small to large. I'll click OK. You can see they are sorted, right? And so then you can create in another location, you type couple. So then you can copy 1 to 10 here. And see, then you will have husband. And you can copy the age of husband here. And so then you have wife, right? So you copy the age of wife here. Okay, right? So by those steps, and you convert the data, you prepare the data correctly. So then you will be able to use data analysis in Excel to do t-test.